In this DIALux evo free course case study, bedroom lighting, we'll go from this plan to this amazing 3D bedroom with great lighting. Let's now import the DWG plan. I click on New Project, Create New Project, Import Plan, Bedroom Plan, DIALux evo course for beginners, Open. Then here, like we have said before, we can either place the origin where we want it to be, or we can just click on Next. The unit here to select is inch, because this plan is in inches, then Finish. I still use meters. If I come here to tape measure, if I measure from this point to this one, well, to this one here, is 3.048 meters. That is 10 feet. Actually, if I wanted to switch to feet like we have seen in the settings, general settings, we can do it here in units of measurement, length units, and switch to imperial system, but I want to keep the metric system, so I will close the settings and come back here.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.